Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In today's video, we'll show you how to set up proxies in Dolphin Cloud step by step. After signing into Dolphin Cloud, you'll be able to manage accounts, fan pages, BMs, ad accounts, campaigns, ad sets, and ads. To get started, choose the type of action you want, for example, add account. Set a profile name and fill in any info you want Dolphin Cloud to manage. Next, head over to your Lightning Proxies dashboard. Choose your plan, then click Generate Proxy. You can customize your proxy settings by changing the country and selecting either sticky or rotating mode. Once done, copy your proxy details. Go back to Dolphin Cloud, open your profile, and paste the proxy into the Quick Input field. It will automatically fill in all other details. Just make sure to select the HTTP protocol. Finally, create the profile and start it up. And that's it. You're ready to go. Enjoy secure and reliable browsing with Lightning Proxies.